Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to increase the rewards given by Nexo for depositing your cryptocurrencies, earning you daily dollars. Many people don't know how to activate these rewards, myself included. For a long time I only received the basic rewards. That's why today I will show you step by step how to do it. Without further ado, let's get started. Nexo has a reward system called Nexo Rewards, as the name suggests. Here, we can earn a higher percentage on the staking of all our cryptocurrencies, those coveted passive incomes everyone desires. In fact, some people put enough money on the platform to cover their monthly expenses, such as rent, pet food, electricity, water, and more, living off the rental income provided by Nexo. Why does Nexo offer 16% while other platforms offer less? Nexo has its own token called Nexo, and to incentivize its use and hodling, they offer rewards for having it in your wallet. Just as some companies spend millions on marketing, Nexo's strategy to popularize its token is by giving you more rewards than anyone else. With that said, how do you level up in Nexo to receive greater rewards? We have 4 levels, which can be seen by tapping on the profile icon at the top left and then scrolling down and tapping Nexo loyalty tiers. We have 4 levels: base, silver, gold, and the highest level, platinum. The higher your level, the more rewards and benefits the platform will provide. How do I level up? To level up, you need a certain percentage of the Nexo token to represent your portfolio. For example, if we have $1,000 or $1,000 USDT in our portfolio and we need 10% of Nexo tokens to level up, 10% of 1,000 is $100. We can use those $100 to exchange for Nexo tokens, and we already would have the required 10% to level up. What levels do we have in Nexo? The first level is base. To achieve it, 1% of the total value of our portfolio needs to be Nexo token. In the earn section, we have the following benefits: 4% annual on cryptocurrencies, 4% annual on fiat currencies like dollar, euro, 8% annual on stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or DAI, 4% on Nexo token, and 0% on Nexo bonus token. Note, the benefits we receive are specific to each cryptocurrency. For example, if we have USDT, we will receive that 8% in USDT, and if we have BTC, Bitcoin, we will receive that 4% in BTC. Additional benefits: 1 free cryptocurrency withdrawal per month, and the governance voting rights. The second level is silver. To achieve it, between 1% and 5% of the total value of our portfolio needs to be Nexo token. In the earn section, we have the following benefits: 4.25% annual on cryptocurrencies, 4.25% annual on fiat currencies, 8.25% annual on stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or DAI, 4% on Nexo token, 0.25% on Nexo bonus token, and in the section of additional benefits, we have 2 free cryptocurrency withdrawals per month and the governance voting rights. The next level is gold, and it's the level I am currently at. To achieve it, between 5% and 10% of the total value of our portfolio needs to be Nexo token. In the earn section, we have 4.5% annual on cryptocurrencies, 5% annual on fiat currencies, 9% annual on stablecoins, 4% on token Nexo, 1% on Nexo bonus token, and in the additional benefits we have 3 free cryptocurrency withdrawals per month and the governance voting rights. And lastly, we have the platinum level. To achieve it, Nexo needs to represent more than 10% of the total value of our portfolio. In the earn section, we have 5% annual on cryptocurrencies, 6% annual on fiat currencies, 10% annual on stablecoins, 4% on Nexo token, and 2% on Nexo bonus token. Additional benefits: we have 5 free cryptocurrency withdrawals per month, and as always, the governance voting rights. Below each level, we have an upgrade button. Tapping on it takes us to buy Nexo tokens. Below that, we can see how many Nexo tokens we need to reach the next level. If we tap on breakdowns of savings rates, it will show us the benefits for each cryptocurrency separately. For example, let's select stablecoins and the platinum level. We can hold up to 4 million in stablecoins and receive an 11% annual interest. So, how do we receive an 11% annual interest on our stablecoins in Nexo? Actually, this can vary from the market situation. Sometimes it can give you 11% or 10%. It will depend on what stage of the market you are watching this video. You need to be at level 4, platinum level, to receive 11% on your cryptocurrencies. Let's go back to the levels tab, check how many Nexo tokens we need to reach that level, tap on upgrade, enter the desired purchase amount, and below it will show how much we will acquire. Another alternative is to exchange the cryptocurrencies you already have on the platform in the exchange tab. Not only do we have loyalty levels to increase the rewards we receive, there are 2 other tricks that we can do. Let's see the first. How do I get Nexo to give me the 30% annually on USDT? To do this, tap on the profile icon at the top left, then select Settings, and tap on Saving Interest Preferences. Here we have 2 options. The first one, which is the default, is to receive the staking rewards in the same cryptocurrency deposited. If you have Bitcoin, it will give you the reward in Bitcoin. If you have USDT, it will give you the reward in USDT, and so on for each currency. And the second option is to receive all the rewards from all the cryptocurrencies in your wallet paid in Nexo tokens. And with this, you can achieve that extra 2% that will give you a total of 13% in annual rewards for stable cryptocurrencies. And now, how do I get Nexo to give me the 16% per year as shown in the thumbnail? Well, for this, let's go to the wallet, let's find the cryptocurrency we're going to use, USDT. Let's tap on Interest Breakdown, and here we have the option to create a fixed term with our USDT. That will increase the annual percentage yield by an additional 3%, giving us a total of 16% per year that Nexo promotes. The fixed term can be set for 3 months. So, to achieve a 16% annual reward in Nexo, you need to be at the maximum level in the loyalty system, be a platinum member with 10% of Nexo in your portfolio, which gives you an 11% annual reward. Receive the reward in Nexo tokens, which adds 2% more, and put the currency in fixed term for 3 months, which adds the 3% per year. Well, now you know how to achieve a 16% annual reward on your stable cryptocurrencies on the Nexo platform. Personally, these days I am maintaining the gold level and receiving rewards in each individual cryptocurrency. This until the crypto winter finished, and stronger upward movements begin. During those times, altcoins are very valuable due to their potential for growth. But if you want to purchase cryptocurrencies on Nexo, it's not the best option due to the spread that the platform has. So, which platform is better, Binance or Nexo? I will tell you which one is the best and how I use them in my daily life in the video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.